Good morning. Here are the latest political and sports news updates for 2nd March 2025. Political news. India extends mandate for imported coal-fired power plants. The Indian government has extended the mandatory full capacity operation of imported coal-fired power plants until the end of April. This decision aims to meet the anticipated high electricity demand during the upcoming summer season, with consumption expected to reach to 70 gigawatts, up from 250 gigawatts last summer. EU seeks trade agreement with India amid potential US trade tensions. The European Commission is aiming to finalize a trade agreement with India this year in response to potential trade conflicts with the United States under President Donald Trump's administration. European Commission President Ursula von der Leyen and other officials have traveled to India to expedite the trade pact, emphasizing the importance of cooperation in a highly competitive global environment. Sports news. Nasser Hussain criticized Champions Trophy logistics. Former England cricket captain Nasser Hussain has openly criticized the logistical arrangements of the Champions Trophy, suggesting they were manipulated to favor India. His candid remarks highlight concerns about the increasing politicization and commercialization of sports. Kabaddi World Cup 2025 scheduled in West Midlands. The second edition of the Kabaddi World Cup, organized by World Kabaddi, is set to take place in the West Midlands, England, from March 17 to 23, 2025. The tournament will feature both men's and women's competitions. International Masters League inaugural season underway. The inaugural season of the International Masters League, a 2020 cricket tournament, is currently in progress in India. 6 teams are competing in 18 matches across venues in Navi Mumbai, Vadodara, and Raipur from 22 February to 16 March 2025. Other news. Gaganyaan-1 mission launch. The Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, plans to launch Gaganyaan-1, the first uncrewed test flight of the Gaganyaan program, today, 1st March 2025. This mission marks a significant milestone in India's human spaceflight endeavours. Bijapur Naxal attack. India's Home Minister Amit Shah has vowed to eliminate Naxalism from the country by March 2026, following a recent attack in Bijapur, Chhattisgarh, where security personnel lost their lives. President Draupadi Murmu condemned the attack, emphasizing the nation's commitment to eradicating Maoist insurgency. That's all for today. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel for future updates, and have a wonderful day ahead.